given happiness in situation like this, and this is time will explain about the history of airplanes and airplane parts. First, let's think about the history airplanes and airplane parts. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will give some knowledge about planes, which aim to increase knowledge about the aircraft and parts of in aircraft. The aircraft is made to the help and made to easier to move from one place to another through the air. The first aircraft, the successful flew as a glider. This aircraft has no engine and is developed to control flying gliders from hills and fly through the air to the ground. The glider was assembled by Sir Gregor Mayo. As time passed, the Wright brother emerged to develop the daily of the aircraft into planes that could be used to carry goods from one place to another by air. In this case, I explain about the history and parts of the aircraft, as well as some planes that ex the world of modern life today. The first aircraft that successfully flew was a glider. This aircraft has no engine and is deferred to control. Flying gliders go up the high hills and fly through the air to the ground. The glider was assembled by Sir Gregor Mayo. In 1819, Oliver and Wilbur were working in a basil shop. The Will brothers are interested in flight. They study bicycle merchandise and that can be applied to aircraft. Then made a modern glider. In 1899, they assembled a cat with two large wings. In the end, they found a way to control the rudders of the plane. The Wright brothers made the planes in of the weight control of direction and altitude of the plane. In 1903, the Wright brothers successfully flew the plane with passengers. And this wing stretched as 12 meters, made of walls covered with control cone of the pilot. The plane lay under the wings. And first it knew firmans the pioneers. As with a simple atoll, the form of a skin roller and a model, a set of wool. Evil Forna glider from a hill Cordoba. This Spanish mummy even side prop who wounded the action in the afternoon of Anton 805 to war. Finland fly farther than Phoenix when it used feathers on the body like a big bird because of how Finland's suffered quitted several query like this. And next monoplane. After the flight, the air effort with wings Scarcely began to think again with wings. Sir Gabriel Cayley, an English explorer, drew a simple sketch of the aircraft and its working place at the end of the 18th century. He is regarded as lying on the stage of a modern airplane. William Samuel Heston and Johnson Stringfellow Skittings worked together to perfect the usage of the wings. They invite the singing wings crank power glide in 1840. Its swing Rachel 45 seconds 7 meter. Daily flight is better known as the flight is river that air. Like this, and next big plane. Neil Kitty Howard, North Carolina Olive, and Wilbur Wings made the first successful flight in the history of self-powered aircraft. Wilbur and over and his fly airplanes, we will free the last fly cover 852 feet in 59 seconds. In 1905, the aircraft called maneuver completed the renewal hit up to 39 minutes at a time. Wilbur Wright date of the typhoid first in 1912. Oliver lived until 1948. The history White brother planned 1903 was permanently restored the National Arts and Space Museum, Washington, D.C. And development advanced. The first plane crashed across the September 1908. American military Lieutenant Thomas A. Breeder trusted the ability of the aircraft made by the Victor brother for military purposes, and the view hex as 22 meter when the trouble suddenly broke. The plane crashed and killed Thomas and injured Oliver Howard, and the Wick brother did not give up. In 1909, they got a military contract to make a first military aircraft. In 1911, Calbitrac project flew across the United States. He flew from Slippery Bay, New York, to Long Beach, California during 84 flight. Project flew at the 70 times. He has to replace almost all parts of the planes broken. Finally arrived at Long Beach to ride the trip. Thomas was in the air for 3 days, 10 hours and 24 minutes. Primary aircraft compared are in the perfect aircraft. Today, aircraft can fly with the more than 300 passengers. Passengers can sit comfortable. The jet engineer has applied the propel and reach speeds of 916 km per hour. This is aircraft parts. Now the have development the rebellion scene that was taken from aircraft in the world. The example of the aircraft that we know today are Boeing, Airbus, Bombardier, ATR, Embraer, and Unknown, and many more such flight planes. A single engine aircraft is also aircraft diplomat by the company inside and no threads are parts of the aircraft. First, this is fuselage, wings, tail, exhaust, flight control, landing gears, and engine. First, this is fuselage. Fuselage contains our passenger cabin, cockpit, passenger cabin, baggage cabin, and cargo space. This is fuselage. And this is wings. Wings as a short lift in the form of airfoil. This you did see elevator, bench step, stabilizer, and this is flap. Flap are of the aircraft. Located to the wings and general function to regulate aircraft speed. Flap are divided into namely landing engine, flaps, and trailing edge sama flaps. Landing edge flaps are also of the color flaps with the location of the airplane wings. And the tire selection consists of aircraft equipment and the vertical horizontal stabilizer. And flight control consists of the primary flight control, mainspeed, hydraulic elevator, and rudder. Secondary flight control, second steering, and instrument steps. Auxiliary flight control includes flap, spoilers, speed brakes, and landing edge slot and slots. And this is landing gear. Landing gear, the main support of the aircraft when packing, taxiing, moving off land, taking off or landing. And this is engine. Engine contribution of piston engine and turbo engine. First, this is engine piston in generation. Always use the polar. And turbo engineer positioning of air takes compressor, combustion, starter, turbine, and exhaust nozzle. And then airplanes are aircraft are the move in the air. Explain helicopter, planes, glide, and airplanes. Airplanes is one type of aircraft that is made to carry cargo, transport in the from passenger goods or by air. This is aircraft divided into several categories, namely aerodynamic aircraft, the study of gas fluid of gas movement. That airplane is heavier than aerodynamic aircraft consist of two ground, namely motorized and non-motorized aircraft. The motorized consists of fixed wings and rotary wings, and fixed wings motorized aerodynamic aircraft consist of airplanes, and example the wings consist of helicopter and gyrocopter. non-motorized and aerodynamic aircraft, countries of glides, and kits. And this is Boeing company, and Airbus, Aninov 225 Hillary, and Airbus, and ATR, and Boeing 737X Max, ATR 7 to 900, Boeing CGL. So that's all I have plans to say about the topic. Let me measure the main problems very seriously. Then our explanatory. First, I talk about the professionally share. There is very interest to the treatment. The approach of and reference to audience. Second, use the sporting legs, which as used to provide optimal, and finally the actual periphery where there is approach your voice and body legs. I would like to repair more about protection that can be learned by giving the analyst the choice of cover, that sport, and combination of the topics. I let you start the talk before we begin asking to me. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer the question now. And thank you and see you. Thank you.